Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Atlantic coastal waters between Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey and Cape Henlopen, Delaware out to 20 nautical miles. The Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook, New Jersey and Fenwick Island, Delaware out 20.40 nautical miles, including 28-mile west Atlantic City Reef, Barnegat Light Reef, Beach Haven, Buoy 2 FB, Buoy 2 MS, Buoy 3 FB, Buoy 4 FB, Buoy GE, Brigantine, Gateway Point, Gateway Reef, Deepwater Reef, Garden State North Reef, Garden State South Reef, Great Egg Inlet, Great Egg Reef, Harvey Cedars, Little Egg Inlet, Little Egg Reef, North Beach Haven, Ocean City Reef, Ship Bottom, the Lumpen Wildwood Reef, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:49 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing strong winds 34 knots or greater over Ocean City Reef, moving east at 50 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near over Great Egg Reef by 6 p.m. over Atlantic City Reef by 6:05 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Thursday evening for southern Delaware and northeastern Maryland. The coastal waters
out on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Thursday evening for southern Delaware and northeastern Maryland. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following marine location. Coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles.
Okay, that is extremely rare. I just got a special marine warning with Donna on Channel 3.
5 knots with gusts up to 30 knots, diminishing to 10.
Never gotten that before. Fantastic. Extremely excited. If we take a look on the radar, here it is. Excuse me. Fantastic. And also, if this storm right here continues on its path, then I will likely get another SVR. Alright, I will talk to you guys later.